Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the dollar CAD. Right, the dollar CAD seems to have made a sort of a base over here, okay, and also pushed higher, but I just want to take this small movement, okay, in this is the daily chart. I want to take this small movement and look at it in light of the bigger trend. So in the bigger trend, we're definitely in a downtrend. We have low, we have highs, we have lower low, we have lower highs, and now we have a lower low. So right, what we should expect price to do is to make a lower high, okay. But having said that, okay, let's just go into the lower time frame and see what opportunities there are. So what I have here is on the 4 hours. Okay, on the 4 hours here, nothing too spectacular. Alright, we actually have a zigzag pattern of which we can use our Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we see that the 100% has already been reached. Right, the 100% has already been reached. Okay, so it is just one thing to take note of. Now that the key Fibonacci extension level has been reached, we are due for a pullback. So let's go down to the lower time frame on a 1 hour. Let me just zoom in so it's easier for you guys to see. So on a 1 hour, alright, we see that price has come back down and made a low, alright, and push back. We can use the Fibonacci of the last leg from the high to the low, 0.1, 0.2, open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, I'm looking at the 61.8, right? There is a graphical overlap over there. And for my take profit, I'm going to keep it at negative 27.20. Now why is this so? Okay, let me just put in the levels and I'll show you guys. So I have my entry over here. Alright, on the 1 hour, this is my entry. So naturally, this 100% will be my stop loss, but I'll back it up a bit. Okay, put this as a stop loss, okay, because this was found on the daily. Right, so on the entry, this will be my entry, is 61.8, and graphical overlap. You can see the price tested this level multiple times. Okay, and of course I will have my take profit at the negative 27.20. Now why is my take profit over there, you ask? Because if you were to connect all the lows, alright, this point, just draw one trend line. Okay, we see a negative 27.20 falls in line with the ascending trend line support. Okay, at the same time we can use Fibonacci extension the other way, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3, and we see that this is quite close to the 100% level. So this is definitely a good take profit zone. Alright, so this is a good take profit zone, and we're just going to leave it there. So that's for that reason, okay, this is why our take profit is in this area. Alright, last but not least, we can actually use indicator like stochastics to show, okay, where price currently is. Okay, in line with price, stochastics tends to move in line with price to show overbought or oversold condition. 14 is too sensitive. For a big move like this, I'll normally go with something less sensitive like 34, and we see that, okay, price is just slightly reversing below, alright, the resistance. Okay, and every time price reverses below the resistance, the drop is significantly quite huge. Alright, so it should come back to this area and we should see a drop. Okay, so that's all the time that we have for today. That is dollar CAD, the trade of the day. And until next time, I'll catch you guys. Take care and stay safe.